What does a header gasket leak sound like? If you are driving a truck or an 18-wheeler, you might be wondering what a header gasket leak sounds like. Understanding these sounds can help you maintain your vehicle's performance. A header gasket plays a vital role in sealing the connection between the engine's cylinder head and the exhaust headers. When this gasket fails, it can lead to various noises that signal a problem. One of the most common sounds associated with a header gasket leak is a ticking or clicking noise. This sound is often noticeable when the engine is cold. As the engine warms up, the metal parts expand, which can sometimes reduce this noise. However, if the leak is severe, you may continue to hear these sounds even after the engine reaches operating temperature. Another sound to listen for is a knocking noise. This can occur if the leak is significant enough to cause backfiring. When exhaust gases escape, they can sometimes re-enter the engine, disrupting the combustion process. This backfiring can create a loud knocking sound that should not be ignored. You might also hear a hissing sound, although this is less common for header gaskets. A hissing noise can indicate a significant pressure difference across the leak. While it may not always be a clear sign of a header gasket issue, it is worth investigating further. The impact of a leaking header gasket on truck performance is significant. It can lead to decreased engine efficiency and performance, which is especially important for heavy-duty vehicles like trucks and 18-wheelers. These vehicles relying on optimal performance for hauling heavy loads over long distances. Regularly checking for these sounds can help you identify leaks early. Early detection can prevent more severe issues, such as engine damage or decreased fuel efficiency. For large vehicles, catching a problem early can save you time and money by avoiding costly repairs and downtime. In summary, a header gasket leak can produce ticking, clicking, or knocking sounds, depending on the severity of the leak. Monitoring these sounds is essential for maintaining your truck's performance and preventing potential engine damage.